So I've got this on. So I'm going to throw the piston on now. What I'll do is I'll set you up so you can see what I do. Yeah, so what I use is just common garnel grease, you know, bearing grease, not heavy, just light grease on the base gasket. Because if you want, when you want to take it off, obviously, if you put sealant on there, it seals up, but it destroys the gasket. This seals up, but when you go to take it off, it just comes straight off. If you get any inside the cylinder, it's not the end of the world, because the heat just turns it to a liquid, to a gas, and it then just burns away. So what I do is I put the piston in the barrel, because obviously it's easier to get it in. I pre-oil the bearing just a little bit with a bit of two-stroke oil, and then I'll just slide the piston and cylinder assembly in till the pins line up, and then just gently push on the pin. Push it in. Get the circlip, not forgetting. This only goes in one way with it. Tapered holes in your circlip. Checking the circlips all the way in, and then back on its side so you can look. And it's gone in too far on one side. That's it. Yeah, and then just push the cylinder on. Job done. Head gasket. Okay. Get the right side gasket. That's it. Right. Now get the bolts. 4 washers.